التت ہنزہ میں جاری وینٹرسپورٹس لووڈ سیزن 4 میں شرکت کرنے اور کھلاڑیوں کی حوصلہ افزائی کے لیے کنیڈین ایمبسڑر وینڈی ہنزہ پہنچ گئی۔ کنیڈین ایمبسڑر کے ساتھ آئے ہوئے کنیڈین آئس ہاکی کے کھلاڑیوں نے مقامی لڑکیوں کے ٹیموں کے ساتھ کھیل میں حصہ لیا، جبکہ کنیڈین ایمبسڑر وینڈی نے ریفری کے فرائض سر انجام دیے۔ التت ہنزہ میں اسکارف کی جانب سے منعقدہ وینٹرسپورٹس لووڈ سیزن 4 کے آئس ہاکی کی بازگشت اب کینیڈا تک پہنچ گئی۔ کنیڈین ایمبسڈر وینڈی التت ہنزہ کے 1000 سالہ قدیم تاریخی تالاب میں منعقدہ کراکرم وینٹرسپورٹس لووڈ سیزن 4 کے آئس ہاکی میں حصہ لینے کے لیے اپنے سفارت خانے کے ٹیم کے ساتھ ہنزہ التت پہنچ گئی۔ ایمبیسی کے اہلکاروں نے ہنزہ کے مقامی لڑکیوں کی ٹیموں کے ساتھ مل کر آئس ہاکی میں حصہ لیا، جبکہ کنیڈین ایمبسڈر وینڈی نے ریفری کے فرائض سر انجام دیے۔
Are thrilled to be here. I think I've said to you all before, Canada is a winter country. We believe these northern regions, you are also a winter country. That gives us a lot in common and a lot to work together on. I'm so thrilled to be here, and thank you very much to Scarf, to Altit, to the village elders, to all of you for coming out this afternoon to celebrate youth, to celebrate sport. And I am 100% supportive of the objectives of your organization. It is so crucial that we get our young people outside into sport, enjoying the outdoors, learning leadership skills, learning the necessary qualities that they will need to take them through their lives. And I'm even more thrilled to be here to see both girls on the ice and boys playing together in this beautiful surrounding. Sport is something that is a critical part of every child's life. It's how they learn, it's how they grow. And to have the opportunity to do so in winter, in a harsh or a more difficult environment is really important. The other thing that I think it's important to understand for winter sports is how it impacts on the climate and the environment. We know that our environment is changing. We know that climate change is going to impact how we live in our winter societies, in mountain communities, in these fragile environments. Getting people outside, feeling the environment, learning how temperatures are changing, how the glaciers are changing, how snowfall is changing, is something that will help us all adapt and become more resilient. And ultimately, that's our goal. We have to adapt to climate change as it comes. We have to all do our individual part to try and stop it by being careful of the environment, by engaging in sustainable activities, but we also have to become more resilient. So that's our objective today as we get out on the ice, as we come together as a community, and it's for us and my Canadians, myself, to learn from all of you, you who are mountain community inhabitants. You have the knowledge of how we live here. So with that, I'm going to stop. I'm going to join the teams down on the ice to referee for a bit. We have a couple of the Canadian High Commission players on the ice. Sarah is there, she's going to wave. And Catherine in the white team. And we're going to try and play alongside these girls. I would ask for your patience.